Today let's talk about how to fix Opay app not working in Nigeria. So if you're facing this issue within the Opay application, the first thing that you can immediately try out is make sure that you close out the application from the recent app list and then simply tap and hold the application and head over to the eye icon. Once you're inside of the settings page, head over to storage and cache, and right here make sure you tap on the clear storage option. What this does is removes any sort of corrupted files and will also log you out of your account. So make sure you log in back and try to see if the issue is resolved. If the issue still persists, then what you could also try out is try to switch your network. So for example, if you're currently on a Wi-Fi network, try switching to your cellular data and vice versa. Also, you can try turning on the airplane mode for at least 10 to 15 seconds and then turn it off again, which helps to reset your network connection. Now, even after trying all of these steps, you're still having issues. The last thing that you could try out is just reinstall the application of Opay onto your device. This ensures that you have the latest version and any sort of bugs which might be causing the issue should also be fixed. So that's pretty much all there is to it. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. I'm going to see you in the next one.